Hello and welcome to English Learning Lounge. I'm David, and I have to say, we have the most exciting topic ever today.
Whoa there! Slow down! I think you're forgetting something, David. I was supposed to do the introduction today.
I know, Izabella, but the excitement is just too much to contain. Our listeners are in for a real treat.
Okay, our topic is hobbies. That's a great word. But before that, we have a question which answer is in our video.
Yes. And the question is, what is Isabella's father's hobby? Find it and write your answer in comments.
David, can you tell our listeners, what is a hobby?
Of course. A hobby is something you like to do in your free time.
Your free time. So, time when you are not at work and not at school.
Exactly. It is something you do for fun because it makes you happy.
Okay, so let's talk about what makes us happy. Let's talk about our hobbies.
What do you like to do in your free time?
That's a good question. In my free time, I like to do quiet things.
Quiet things. Okay.
One thing I really love is reading. I love to read books.
Reading books. That's a wonderful hobby.
It is. At home, I have many books. I have a big bookshelf full of books.
What kind of books do you like to read?
I like storybooks, especially stories about interesting people and faraway places.
Oh, so it's like traveling with your mind.
Exactly. It is quiet and very relaxing. I feel calm when I read. Right now, I am reading a book about a detective. He is very smart and the story is very exciting.
A detective story. That sounds interesting. What's it called? Who is the author?
It's called The Silent Witness, and the author is a new writer I discovered. I love trying to solve the mystery before the detective does. It's a fun game to play in my mind.
A detective story. Nice. So reading is a hobby. Do you have another hobby?
Yes, I do. I also love walking. I like to go for a walk in the park near my house.
Walking is a great exercise.
It is. I especially love walking on a sunny day. The park is beautiful. It is very big, and it has a small lake with ducks. I like to see the green trees and the colorful flowers.
That sounds lovely. Very peaceful.
It is. So, my hobbies are reading and walking. Now, what about you, David? What are your hobbies?
Well, my hobbies are very different from your hobbies. I am not a quiet person.
Oh, tell me more.
I am a very active person, so I love sports.
Sports? Okay, what sports do you like?
My favorite sport, my number one hobby, is playing football.
Football! Wow, that is very energetic.
It is. I play with my friends every Saturday morning. We go to the big park and play for 2 hours.
That sounds like so much fun.
It's the best. We run, we laugh, and we try to score goals. Last Saturday, my team won. I scored a goal. I was so happy.
Wow! Wow, congratulations! I understand. It is good to be active with friends. What position do you play?
I usually play as a forward, which means I'm one of the players who is trying to score. It's a lot of running, but it's also very exciting. There's nothing like the feeling of kicking the ball and seeing it fly into the net.
That sounds amazing. Scoring a goal is a great feeling.
It is. So football is my main hobby. But I have another hobby too.
Okay, what is it?
I love to listen to music.
Music. I like music too. It's a great hobby for everyone.
I think so too. I like pop and rock music. I like music that is fast and energetic. I like the band The Happy Sounds. They are great.
That's interesting. I like slow, calm music. It helps me relax when I read my books.
And fast music helps me run and play football. It's amazing how music is different for everyone.
So our hobbies are very different. I like quiet hobbies and you like active hobbies.
That's right. And that's great. People like different things. Let's think of some other hobbies people have.
Okay, I know many people like watching movies.
Oh, yes. Watching movies is a very popular hobby. You can watch at home on the TV or go to the cinema.
Right! My sister loves watching movies. She watches a new movie every weekend. Do you like watching movies, David?
I do. I like funny movies. I love to laugh. I don't like scary movies. They make me feel scared.
Me too. I do not like scary movies. I like happy movies with happy endings.
Okay, what about cooking? Is cooking a hobby?
Yes, of course. Many people love to cook for fun. My friend Anna is a great cook. Her hobby is baking cakes.
Ooh, cakes. I like eating cakes. Maybe my hobby is eating.
Very funny, David. Eating is a necessity, but cooking is a hobby. Anna makes delicious chocolate cakes and apple cakes.
I love apple cake. Okay, so cooking is a hobby. What about art?
Yes, art is a wonderful hobby. Some people like to draw and other people like to paint.
Right. Drawing with a pencil or painting with colors. It is very creative.
Yes, my little brother likes to draw. He is only 7 years old, but he draws all the time. He draws cars, big red cars, and small blue cars.
That's so cool! A young artist! What about hobbies with music? We said we like listening to music.
Yes, and some people like to play music. That is a fantastic hobby.
Oh, for sure. Like playing the guitar or the piano?
Exactly. My father plays the guitar. He learned when he was young. He plays every evening after work. It sounds so beautiful.
That's lovely. It takes a lot of practice to play an instrument. Other hobbies are singing or dancing.
Yes, singing in a group or a choir can be so much fun. And for dancing, there are so many styles to choose from, like salsa, ballet, or hip hop. It's great exercise, too.
Every style is beautiful. Dancing is a hobby which is both artistic and active.
Exactly. It's a great hobby, and it is good to have a hobby like this. It makes life more interesting and happy.
Absolutely. Hobbies are so important for a balanced life. They help us relax and be creative. What about hobbies that connect us with nature?
That's a great category, like my hobby of walking in the park. Another wonderful nature hobby is gardening.
Okay, so we know many hobbies now. Let's help our listeners. How can they talk about hobbies in English?
Yes, let's practice. First, let's talk about the question. What is a good question to ask someone about their hobby?
A simple and friendly question is, what do you like to do?
Yes, I like that question. Let's say it slowly. What do you like to do?
Perfect. Another good question is, what are your hobbies?
Yes. What are your hobbies? This question is also very good.
So you have two great questions to ask. Now, how do you answer?
The easiest way is to say, I like, and then your hobby. For example, I say, I like reading.
And I say, I like playing football. Very simple.
Another way to answer is, my hobby is, and for example, my hobby is cooking.
Ah, yes. My hobby is listening to music. That works great.
And David, what if you have two hobbies or three hobbies?
Good question. Then you say, my hobbies are, and you use the word and. For example, my hobbies are football and music.
Or you can say, I like reading and walking.
Exactly. It's a great way to start a conversation and find something you both like.
That was a lot of great information.
We hope that helps all of our amazing listeners.
And that is all the time we have for today.
Thank you so much for listening to English Learning Lounge.
We hope you learned a lot about hobbies and interests. We encourage you to practice with your friends.
Yes. Ask them, what do you like to do? Join us next time for another interesting topic.
Until then, goodbye everyone.
Goodbye. Have a wonderful week full of fun hobbies.